Welcome to the Elite Plant Facts, where we talk about plant facts alone, which is beneficial to health. This is our first video, but we've been posting on our blogs. So today we'll be talking about bitter kola. Bitter kola balances sugar level, it helps in malaria treatment, it serves as immune boosters, and it aids in digestion. And yes, bitter kola helps in weight loss and curing of cough. So I'm going to teach you how to do DIY cough medicine. You get your bitter kola. After peeling the bark, you diced. Then you get lime. You squeezed in a bowl and sieve. After sieving, you get your tom. Then you pour all these three. You pour your bitter kola, lime, and tom in a covered container. So after, just let me say covered bottle. So after that, you allow the tom to dissolve for some minutes. Then your DIY cough medicine is ready. Please subscribe and thank you for watching us.